a Jokeduino box, we would need a ruler, scissors, glue stick, Jokeduino box template printed on photo paper, hole puncher. You can buy one of these on Amazon. It costs like $10. Simple little screwdriver and solder's board. First step would be to mark the lines, the folding lines, the red folding lines. So you just need a ruler and a screwdriver. By doing this, we will make it easier to fold later. So what you have to do, everywhere where there is a red line, you need to just do like this. Okay. So once you do it, the folding line should be visible a bit on the other side. The next step is to cut all the glue lines. The next step would be to make necessary holes. We will use the hole puncher like this one. I bought it on Amazon for $10. So all the holes you have to make are marked with the blue circles, and there are little red dotted lines which help you to align the puncher. So let's do it. Okay, we are done with the holes. These holes will be for a speaker. Here light sensor would go, and here the buttons to control your Jokeduino. The next step would be to fold it. So remember, you have to fold everywhere where there are red lines. So this is how it will fold. So now the next step would be we will glue it together. The next step is to, the most important step is to glue the box together. We would need this solderless board just to put it inside until, to keep everything tight until the glue will dry out. So first we'll put the glue where it's written to put the glue. So here and here, but we can also put the glue here, just to make it easier for us. And also there is a label to put the glue on the other side of this part. So let's do that. Now we fold the box like this. And then we fold it. Once we did that, just put the solderless board to keep everything tight together, and we will leave it like that until the glue will dry out. Do not close the box, just to prevent that this part being glued to the inside here. So just leave it like that. So the glue dry out. Let's take out the solderless bolt, and our box is ready. So I will show you how to close it. And that's how it looks. The next step, we will put some electronics inside and build our Jokeduino.